Tyler Drown. Today we're going to be looking at my diesel heater. It is a Chinese manufactured diesel heater I got off of Amazon, and it worked great continuously, keeping my boat warm for about 60 days, maybe a little more than that. And then the blower fan went. It started making noises at higher RPMs. Stopped making noises altogether as it shut down. So we're going to take a look inside. First, we're going to be taking off the air intake here. This is where the air for the air duct comes in, gets sucked in. Here is where the combustion air gets sucked in. This is the fuel line, and this is the exhaust. This gets super hot. It gets up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. So what we're first going to do is take this off. We're going to remove this Phillips head screw right here. And then right here it's held together by this clamp. Looks like it's a size 4 metric, which is 4 millimeters, what I'm missing right here. But fortunately, it's the same size that IKEA uses for everything. So I've got one of these. I took the bottom gasket off, and I was able to lift it right up. You can see it's got these little pads on the inside. Okay, I've got these 2 more bolts holding on the head here. So here is the blower. Now I could feel the motor. I could feel resistance, and I can still feel it. I think the motor's bad. But I'm going to take a look at the chamber too on the inside here. So now I'm going to remove the head of the chamber here. I have the blower fan that blows the fresh air over this heatsink, and out the other side, and that's the hot air. You know, this is forced hot air. So one thing to notice on these mounts is that this one on the top, these 2 on the top, are a little shorter bolts than the ones on the bottom. I need to get the glow plug out. It's not going to let me do this without taking the glow plug out. So I got to take the glow plug out. This is the glow plug. And here we go. Not too bad, although, what is this? This could be the muffler cement. I don't know what this is and how this got in the chamber. So here's the chamber. You can see and there you have it. There's a little sensor right here. Measure the temperature.